Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be working on this Honda Civic. This is a Mark 9 Honda Civic, and the engine is 1.8 petrol. So the problem we have here is that it's suffering from rough idling, as well as is consuming too much oil. So we did the investigation and we found out that it's the faulty PCV valve which is not performing properly. So basically the bad PCV valve causes the bad oil consumption, and also the engine will suffer from rough idling and some other symptoms as well. So what we did is we ordered a new PCV valve from our local auto part shop. So just gonna show you the location of the PCV valve on this car. So here is the location for the PCV valve. This one here. So we'll have to disconnect this pipe here, this hose. Right, so we're going to use this tool here to remove the hose clip. There we go. So just going to rest it here. Then we're going to pull the hose off. Right, so we're going to use a deep 17mm socket to remove the PCV valve. So the PCV stands for positive crank ventilation valve. Okay, slack it off. There we go. So this is the old PCV valve. Basically, over the period of time it just gets stuck inside. So either it gets stuck open or stuck shut. So either way, not good. So I'm just gonna put this on the side. Here comes the new PCV valve. It's a like for like part. So before I fit it, just gonna match it with the old one. That is the right type. Right, so to start with, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hand thread it. Just gonna tighten it. There we go. Perfect. So just gonna fit the hose back on in this manner. Then the clip. There we go, friends. That's the new PCV valve nicely being fitted on this Honda Civic. I hope this is going to improve the performance of the engine, and the problems we were having in the past will not appear again. Thank you very much for watching the video.